This new construction home is a rare gem in South Maui, where contemporary design meets breathtaking views. It's truly a masterpiece overlooking the Pacific, with the silhouettes of Lanai and the West Maui Mountains as your daily backdrop. This is 3414 Keha in Maui Meadows. It was a pleasure showing you around this exceptional property. Reach out today to schedule your showing. Aloha.